Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to link your Wells Fargo account to your PayPal wallet in 2025. Whether you're making online purchases, sending money to friends, or managing your finances, this connection can make everything smoother and faster. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have both your Wells Fargo and PayPal accounts set up and verified. You'll need access to the PayPal app or website on your device, and don't forget your Wells Fargo login details for verification. Step 1. Open the PayPal app on your smartphone or log in to the PayPal website on your computer. If you're using the app, you'll see your dashboard right away. Step 2. Head over to the Wallet section. This is usually in the main menu. Tap on it to access your linked accounts and payment methods. Step 3. Look for the option that says Link a Bank or Add Bank Account. It might be under Settings or directly in the Wallet tab. Click on that to proceed. Step 4. From the list of available banks, select Wells Fargo. If it's not listed, you may need to enter your account details manually, like your account number and routing number. Step 5. PayPal will prompt you to verify your Wells Fargo account. This often involves confirming small test deposits that PayPal sends to your bank, or you might use instant verification if available in 2025. Step 6. Once verification is complete, confirm the linking process. Your Wells Fargo account should now be connected to your PayPal wallet. A quick tip: if you encounter any errors, double-check for the latest PayPal updates, as security features might have changed by 2025. Always prioritize your account security by using strong passwords. There you have it. That's how you link Wells Fargo to PayPal in just a few simple steps. This can save you time on transfers and keep your finances organized. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.